my shit. I love it, my nigga.
So if you're walking down the street and you actually happen to see 6ix9ine for real, what do? What's your move? Are you actually like?
If I got a gun, I'm gonna bust.
Oh shit!
I'm gonna bust at his ass.
Hold on. You actually mentioned something about Tekashi 6ix9ine last time. What do you think of 6ix9ine?
Nigga's a bitch. Nigga's a fucking punk. Straight up, he's fucking up the game, homie. He's a motherfucking sex offender. He don't need to be out there putting all sets and gangs in his fucking mouth. He needs to keep that shit in Brooklyn. Keep that shit around his own people. I don't know where he gets it. But there's a couple Hoovers that are hanging around him. So I guess he got a cool where he can put all the Hoovers in his fucking mouth. But there's no love. I think he's getting a lot of my motherfuckers stepping on toes everywhere he goes. Someone want to bust him. Niggas want to kill him. I think he's a fucking joke, homie. You know, I don't trip into the blood. I don't give a fuck about how much money he's making. But don't come out here pleading guilty to NDC with a fucking child.
Oh,
and then
okay.
come out here and nigga like you motherfucking just... You feel me? That's what it's about.
That's what I was going to say. Where does the problem come from?
Okay. It's not about what he bangs. It's about his character. His character's fucked up. He's gonna get a lot of people fucking hurt, man. I don't even fuck with that cat like that. I don't even fuck with industry, nigga. I don't even listen to the radio really. But it was brought to my attention because somebody that I used to fuck with was fucking with them and started promoting them or signing with them or some bullshit. Okay. So it brought to my attention. I'm like, hey, bro, speak for yourself. Don't speak for all of us. But down here in Texas, my nigga, we condone faggots. Like, excuse my language, but we condone shit like that. Nigga, it's gang don't bang. And we don't bang with no pedophiles. We don't bang with shit like that. We don't bang with faggots. We don't fuck with snitches. We keep 100, man.
I did see on your profile you said something about that. You mentioned, nothing about sex offenders or queers. That's the words that you used. So I was wondering where the problem with 6ix9ine comes from. So it comes from him, the whole stuff with a child. Is he really down with Hoover,
yes,
though?
And then it came because, because there was some Hoovers. There was some Hoovers chilling with them. Started getting down with them. I guess made it feel comfortable for him to say, well, he's kicking it with the Hoover hitters or some bullshit in his lyrics.
Yeah.
So it was like, well, damn, nigga. And now you got a lot of people that really aren't up on now. They're thinking that, hey, yo, there's a Hoovers really down with this shit. But no, there's a select few that there's a group of Hoovers that I guess are down with them. And I don't want to mention no names and shit because I ain't going to keep throwing names out there. But I promise you, my nigga, that nigga ain't not speaking for every Hoovers around here. Because we don't get this, we don't get down like that. And nigga, if you ain't getting respect, if you ain't getting love, I know there's a lot of hate in the game and shit, but not that much goddamn hate. That's everywhere you go. If that nigga needs to switch up his fucking find something else to do. Because if you're not getting more love than hate, you need to switch it up. Find something else to do. Because motherfuckers, innocent motherfuckers will lose their lives, man. Motherfuckers get killed over this shit. Over some white-ass bullshit like that. Like it's the streets first, then rap. Rap is a privilege, homie. Everybody makes it being a rapper. And you can't just make it and then use it as a platform, my nigga. Just play anything in your motherfucking mouth, homie. And say, hey, homie, this broke nigga down, murder your motherfucking ass, nigga. And don't give a fuck what you're wrong or right. But hey, nigga, talk about tap names on shit. Don't speak for everybody in the world, my nigga. Cause we bang this over there. I'm bleeding.
What about you? What about you? If
that's my shit, I love you, my nigga.
So if you're walking down the street and you actually happen to see 6ix9ine for real, what do? What's your move? Are you actually like?
If I got a gun, I'm gonna bust.
Oh shit!
I'm gonna bust at his ass.
Hold on. I just gotta put it out here. You know that this is for the public to see, right? So you don't care. You want this out. You want it known that if you see 6ix9ine, it's on site. For real. Like, this isn't a joke. I know you're about your stuff. I know you're for real.
It's not. I'm telling you, it's only a matter of time, bro. I bet niggas like that, I don't fuck with. Niggas like that, Nah, man, I said, I don't fuck with niggas like that. And anybody fucking with my, that's how he's speaking for a handful of Hoovers. I in Los Angeles. He's not speaking for everybody. There's some real niggas in Los Angeles, too, they're pissed off about that shit. Like, nigga, that shit's foul what that little boy's doing. He's a young kid, man, with a platform, thinking it's cool to do it. Say anything, put anything in his motherfucking mouth. And it's not about money. It's not about, it's about the streets, homie. It's about how you, the shit you put, don't make me look bad. Don't make us look bad. Niggas, I got niggas that lost their life 6 feet under, my nigga.
I believe you. I believe that it's not about money or nothing. Because if it was about fame, then you would have said, you know, fuck Schoolboy Q or whatever. But you didn't. You said that Q's legit. And that's how I know that this is some real street shit, because 6ix9ine actually, you know, fucked the game up.
Yeah, I don't hear nobody. Schoolboy Q, all them little niggas coming up. Little Pump, little Uzi Bird, Post Malone, I don't care, you know what I'm saying? Let him do his thing. But when a nigga come in and start putting shit in his mouth, and like, hey, my nigga, come on, my nigga, and you got that dude Hoover out, that thinking we running with, we down with punks like that. We're not down with pedophiles like that. We're not down with spaces that we just fuck don't get down with lesbians and faggots, homie. Do you, homie, but keep us out your mouth, stay out our way. Get your money. But don't get your money stepping on toes, man. That's what it's about. I'm not gonna get rich, homie. I make music too. I'm not gonna get rich, my nigga. Dissing, fucking putting bullshit in my motherfucking mouth, because you can lose your life, man, if you don't know what you're saying. I don't know how to put it more in words, my nigga. Make talking cheap shit. But I promise, my nigga, you can see how the motherfucker getting all the negative attention, all that little shock. I'm tired of talking about that bitch. Let's change the subject. Let's talk about something else.
Yeah, man. No, well, I forgot what it was exactly, but I saw a music video of you and was it your cousin or your friend? And that shit slapped.
I'm gonna tell you right now, my nigga, as far as the rap game goes, man, that little bitch needs to stop fucking floating around banging like he around Hoover, like that nigga not respected in the Hoover gang. It's 716. That nigga, so there's a handful of niggas that like that nigga. That fuck with him, I guess.
Real,
you know what
man.
I mean? But I'll stay away from that shit, because I said, my nigga, if shit will get thick, my nigga, I will murder that motherfucker.
Oh, shit.
Or get murdered. It goes both ways. You know, kill or be killed, homie. I can get this shit out, nigga, but I can take it too. I'm not gonna be over here like I'm bulletproof.